If your linear smart garage door opener system is not functioning correctly, you can use your operator light's flash codes to determine the condition causing the operation problem. Anytime a condition or problem occurs while the garage door is in motion or attempting to move, the door will stop moving and the operator's light will display anywhere from 1 to 7 light flashes depending on the issue. These light flashes, or flash codes, are a helpful troubleshooting tool to determine the condition, cause, and solution to your door operation problems. If you notice your garage door won't close, followed by 3 operator light flashes, there's an issue with your safety beam. Your linear smart garage door opener's safety beam is designed to help protect people and objects from injury or damage caused by a closing garage door. The safety beam set consists of a sender unit and a receiver unit. The sender has a single green LED and sends a beam of IR light similar to your TV remote control. The receiver unit has both a green and red LED. Both the sender and receiver send information about the beam to the garage door operator. As a safety feature, the garage door will not close if a person or object is in the safety beam's path. If your operator's light flashes 3 times whenever you're attempting to close your garage door, your first troubleshooting step is to examine the receiver's red LED. If you see a blinking red light on the receiver, the sender's infrared beam is only partially detected by the receiver. If the receiver's red light is completely off, the receiver is not detecting the beam at all. This means there's either an object blocking the beam's path or the beam's misaligned. To solve this problem, you'll want to first check the safety beam's path to ensure there are no objects blocking the path. If there are no objects blocking the beam's path, your safety beam may be misaligned. To realign the safety beam, first rotate the sender vertically towards the ceiling. Then rotate the sender back towards a horizontal position with the floor and stop as soon as the red light on the receiver lights solid. Once you see a solid red light on the receiver, the beam is properly aligned. Note, make sure you stay out of the beam's path while fixing the beam's alignment. If the receiver's red light continues to remain off, check for the following common issues. Make sure there's no dirt on the receiver's lens. If you detect dirt on the lens, clean the lens with a cloth. Ensure there's no sunlight shining into the receiver's lens. The safety beam receiver should be located on the shady side of the door to prevent sunlight from shining directly into the receiver's lens. If the receiver was installed on the sunny side of the door, the receiver will need to be relocated to the shady side. If you notice the sender or receiver's green LED lights are off, the beam is not receiving power. This means there's likely a short in your safety beam wiring. Examine your beam's wires and make sure there are no staples compressing or breaking the safety beam's wires. Also make sure the wires are fully and properly connected to the operator terminals. The sender and receiver wires connect to the operator screw terminals located on the back of the operator. Both the sender and receiver should have one wire fully wrapped around the screw terminal labeled COM for common, and one wire fully wrapped around the terminal screw labeled beam. If any of the wires have become disconnected or broken, rewrap the wires. Also make sure the exposed ends of the 2 COM wires are not touching the exposed ends of the 2 beam wires. Additionally, make sure the beam's wires' exposed ends are not touching any of the wall station wire exposed ends. Once the safety beam problem is resolved, the garage door should easily open and close, free of any flash code. If you have any further questions, please use the contact information on screen.